What are you doing?
Silent treatment.
You don't have time for this. You must destroy the Hoover Dam. It is your destiny.
What if I get caught?
You're Space Ghost, superhero to millions. Who would suspect
I am Space Ghost. It's my destiny.
You better hurry up.
What about my pants?
What?
My pants.
Pants are fine. Hurry up.
Let me just say goodbye to Charlton, okay?
Someone's going to beat you to it.
All right, all right. Charlton!
Hey, Space Ghost? Absolutely.
Well, good night, everybody. I got a split.
Everybody let it rock. Everybody in old cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Spider Murphy played.
Clip, and that video was taken down.
And our willingness to do the things that built the Golden Gate Bridge and Hoover Dam and unleashed all the potential in this country.
Not sure why it didn't really
Which? I wish I had my reaching broom. Wait a minute. It's probably a... Damn, that's good!
And for Best Animated Short, the
I know! Let's outrun it! There's a dam! Damn! There's a grate! Great! But I can't bend anything with my arms agonizingly.
Oh, there's so many men around the world of every shape and size. I want to nibble on Jamaican jerks and teriyaki thighs. I want a French kiss a Frenchman and spoon an English duke. 'Cause frankly, dear, to not be queer just makes me wanna puke. So find yourself a man who'll want you in the That's a $17 deck of cards!
Let it go, Dad.
Quick, find a master log. There's always a master log. We did it! Finally, man has triumphed over us!
Jesus Christ! Dad! Beaver dam! Very large beaver dams, Dad!
It's completely hollow. What happened to all the concrete?
You cut back on building materials and kept all the money for yourself. That's what happened. Get him, Lise!
I wasn't in charge of the money. Cecil was.
Now, let's stop bickering and get out of here. This dam could collapse at any minute.
1 minute past sunrise, to be precise.
Cecil?
Once I blow up the dam, there'll be no evidence of missing concrete, and I walk away with 15 million.
But everyone will know you did this.
Perhaps. Or perhaps they'll blame the master criminal. You know, the one who's been working at the dam and has a grudge against Springfield.
Now, I know Cousin Merle has had his troubles with the... Lisa, you don't spend 10 years as a homicidal maniac without learning a few things about dynamite.
Plunger? Check. Hard hat? Check. $15 million in a gun? Check. Mate. Goodbye, Bob!
No! Guess who?
Maris?
We'll blow up our dams, destroy forests, anything, if there's a species of
ritual that means a lot to our dad. Well, most of the time, he was just an ordinary dad with ordinary dad powers. But for 2 weeks every summer, during our annual trip to the Hoover Dam, he was something special. king, sacrifice was everything.
Hey, did you guys know that 21 men died making the Hoover Dam?
You mean their guts are in the dam?
Son, their souls are in that dam. They died so that we could enjoy the...
I sat in the back trying to make sense of the great mysteries of the open road. Why is it that you always see one lonely boot on the shoulder of the road? And those green signs, what are they trying to tell us?
Situation.
No, this is a robbery. They have direct access to the online trading desk.
I'm not risking my men for your money.
So we're gonna have to ask you to move. We have a situation here.
It's not our money, it's everybody's.
Does.
Hey! Hey! That was you in front of the stock exchange, wasn't it?
When?
And when half the city's cops were trying to pull onto Castle Street and your truck was shutting them out.
Oh yeah, you're the cop.
Detective. And as detective, we're not allowed to believe in coincidence.
What are you doing here? What are you working on?
Commissioner, it's Blake. I got 2 dead witnesses. A lot of questions. Call me whenever. Wait a minute. I need 4 barrels of polysubutylene. That looks like motor oil right next to it. Jesus. They're not making cement. They're making explosives.